How to cancel Suno AI subscription. Want to stop your Suno AI subscription? Here's how you can cancel it safely. So first, go ahead and log in to suno.com. Tap on your account profile at the top left, and then from here, select account. And then in here, you should find subscription. So click on this and that will take you here. So from here, go ahead and look for the cancel subscription button, tap on it, and then confirm when prompted. If billed through Stripe, you may be redirected to finalize. Now you will receive a confirmation email. Paid features remain active until the end of your billing cycle. Then your account reverts to the free basic tier. And that is how to cancel Suno AI subscription.